In this video, I'll guide you through how to open links in separate tabs in Adobe Acrobat. Whether you're working with web links or links to other PDFs, these methods will help you manage them more efficiently. Let's get started with opening a link in your web browser. You might come across a web link embedded within a PDF, and if you're looking to open it directly in your browser, here's what you need to do. Simply right-click on the link you want to open. In the context menu that appears, select the option that says Open Link in Web Browser. Doing this will automatically open the link in a new tab of your default web browser. This method is quick and convenient, ensuring you remain in your current workflow while the new tab loads in the background. Now, let's move on to another method, which involves a bit of manual work but offers great flexibility, especially if you're dealing with multiple links. This method is all about copying and pasting. First, highlight the link you want to open by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Once it's highlighted, right-click and select Copy. Then switch to your web browser and paste the link into the address bar. Hit Enter and your link will open in a new tab. If you have several links to open, you can repeat this process, allowing you to have multiple tabs open simultaneously. This approach is particularly useful when you need to compare information from different links side by side. Finally, let's explore what to do if the link in your PDF points to another PDF document. In this case, you'll want to keep both PDFs open for better multitasking. Here's how you can achieve that. First, click on the link to open the second PDF. Adobe Acrobat will typically open this in the same window, replacing the first document. To have them open separately, you'll need to open another instance of Adobe Acrobat. Simply go to your Start menu or Applications folder and open Adobe Acrobat again. Then load the second PDF in this new window. This way, you have both PDFs open side by side in separate windows, making it easier to switch back and forth as needed. These methods offer you different ways to handle links within Adobe Acrobat, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Whether you prefer opening links directly in your browser, handling them manually through copy and paste, or managing multiple PDFs simultaneously, these techniques have got you covered. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful for managing links in Adobe Acrobat. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.